Welcome to Flange Wizard, welder's choice for quality since 1981. All Flange Wizard tools are made in the US. Recently I just talked about the Chariot Beveling Guide, which is a great tool for cutting circles, straight lines, patterns, or bevels, utilizing any conventional torch tip. So what we want to talk about now is a case that features that tool, plus a few other popular Flange Wizard tools. It's the Wizard Burning Guides case number 8910. So we start off with a lockable polypropylene case, and inside we're going to open it up and show you all the different tools. So here I just opened up the case, and you can see in this nice lockable polypropylene case, it keeps your tools nice when not in use. So you can store it in your shop or put it in the truck. Right behind this padding right here, we do have a Flange Wizard catalog for you, so you can look at all your favorite Flange Wizard tools. Here's the Chariot Beveling Guide, or the CBG. You got the 3 different wheels on it, so you can do your circles, your patterns, straight lines, or your bevels. One of the most versatile conventional torch cutting guides on the market. A couple other items that we've added in there. You've seen this before, the Wizard tape measure holder, which has a very strong magnet on the bottom and also on the side. So you can actually, if you're by yourself, run a tape line all the way across your shop if someone's not there to hold the other end of your tape. Plus you got a quick level so you can check things out. Off here to the side you have your MSB 202, or your magnetic blocks. These switchable magnetic blocks are incredibly strong. You see your magnet right there on the bottom. You've got your groove milled around 3 different sides, so you can position it how you need on your square or straight edge. Very strong, switchable, keeps clean when not in use, and it allows you to create your own, with your own square or straight edge, a nice burning guide. This particular tool right here is a torch tip standoff. The torch tip standoff will fit onto any conventional cutting tip, and you can adjust this pin height in order to create a guide to use along a straight edge when you want to cut a straight line and have a steady hand. Here I have the torch tip standoff. You just tighten it on with the set screw to any conventional torch cutting tip, and then you can take that pin and adjust the height to create the standoff that you want when you're making a cut. Then when you stick it on your straight edge, and you notice here I have the 2 magnetic blocks attached to a straight edge. These are part of that kit. They're super strong magnets. They're switchable, so you turn them on and off. Keeps them clean when they're not in use. But in this case here with that torch tip standoff, I just press the tip right up against my cutting guide, and then that pin creates the height I want, and now I can just pull it along for a nice steady cut. Then right here you have this magnetic block with this center pin. There's your magnet here on the bottom, and you have a degree finder on top right here with a pin that creates a pointer for you. And what people will do with this is they'll attach it to that bar shaft right there, but then over here where you have your pivot pin, you can remove this out, and you could put a round piece of soapstone in here. What this will allow you to do is to use it as a layout tool. You can either use it for a magnetic centering base when you're doing cutting, or you can use it for laying out, let's say, a flange out in the field, using both this pivot pin block that's also designed for round soapstone, and using this magnetic block with the angle degree finder. If I'm out in the field and I need to lay out a flange, I can use that magnetic base. I have that head there where I've got a wheel in there for stability, and now I have my soapstone down at this end here. The magnetic base is going to hold me securely to the plate of steel that I need to work on, and now I can make my mark and use the wheel as a stabilizer out in the other end. And then this gives me the ability to use this as a compass, where maybe I need to find out where I want to put my quarters at, or maybe where I want to put my flange holes at. That's what people will use that for. And you have this pin indicator here to show you your degrees as you're doing your layouts. Very strong magnetic base, great for magnetic circle burning, and also great for using it when you need to do layouts for circles or flanges out in the field. It's an incredibly versatile burning guides kit, the 8910.